Prep AI, get your dream job. Simply swipe right to apply, the ultimate app to get a job. AI app. Get hired with our swipe to apply feature. AI applies to jobs for you, plus practice interviews and get AI feedback. Download now. Prep AI is the app to land your dream job. With our new swipe to apply feature, you can now apply to job effortlessly, just like Tinder. Simply swipe right on the jobs you like, and our AI agent will handle the application process on your behalf. Download the app, upload your resume, swipe right to apply, and AI applies on your behalf. Practice interviews and get hired. Very cool app. Find your dream job from 1 million jobs. Receive instant feedback. This app is going viral actually on TikTok. There are a lot of these new AI technologies, obviously, where you just it really simplifies the process for you. You can just open it up, and then you just see here the onboarding. What are you looking for? So for example, and then you can just get it. Then you can also have a referral code and setting up everything. And then finally, you can just sign up with Apple, Google, or email. Get started. Invite 3 friends and get started to start your journey. So here is your code, which you can have it. So feel free to use my code COYX3B, and then basically get started. $30 per week, $20 per week, or $10 per week to get it, to auto apply to our 1 million plus jobs with just one swipe. Track applications, tailored algorithm to learn your job preferences. You can see $10, 20 applications, and then you just need to upgrade like that. So that's the idea. This app is not free. They don't have any free options at all. So yeah, there you have it.